How to see someone's Snapchat location in ghost mode without them knowing. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's open up our Snapchat. Once you have entered here, you have to simply click on this location icon on the bottom left corner, and this will take you to the location. Now here what you have to do is to simply click on the settings on the top right, and this will open up your location settings. And as you can see, I have ghost mode enabled. As you can see, when this is enabled, your friends can see your location. So if I turn this off, I can choose one of these, but for now we have to simply turn this on and go for this until turn off, and this will enable the ghost mode permanently until you turn this off by yourself. So now your friends cannot see your location, but you can. So now you have to simply select any one of your friend and click on this blue dot, and this will open up their Snapchat location, as you can see. So that's how basically you can see someone's location in ghost mode without them knowing.